Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. I'm currently here on the Chainlink 30-minute chart. And Link is trying again to form a low from this support zone, which is between $1,185 and $1,211. So there is a first attempt of an upside reversal, but without much success. I mean, the bounce is fairly, weak so far. I mean, it's interesting. It's, okay, weak is maybe not the right word. It's a decent move up, but we haven't broken out of the local range. So while I can still track this as a 1-2 setup with a possible third wave to come, the upside reaction is not substantial enough to clearly confirm that indeed that internal third wave to the upside has started. Again, it's something I'm tracking absolutely and support is holding. But what I would like to see is a more decisive upside breakout and a move above the $12.95 level. Then we can talk about a third wave that might be unfolding. Until then, we have a bounce and we can watch those support levels. 1185 to 1211. But please understand that this is not an invalidation point. The invalidation point is the December low that formed here, at around $11.73 on the 18th of December. So it's a pattern that looks very similar to what Bitcoin is doing at the moment on the nano level. The overall idea here is that we are like Bitcoin, potentially still in a fourth wave bounce. A fourth wave correction which could lead to another low potentially then in a fifth wave. Yeah, and this the fourth wave might have topped. That's the yellow count. Definitely a possibility, but we haven't really seen enough downside momentum. We don't have a break below the November low. So, the idea that we could get a BC structure here remains very much plausible, but also a bit speculative because its end of the year volume is low. We probably won't see any significant upside breakouts here. Yeah, so still waiting to see more evidence that this C wave up has started. Invalidation levels should be clear upside breakout pattern as well. And if we now look at the bigger picture, the larger time frame, it shows us the key levels, on the daily chart here. And it shows us that $10.72 is the next support level. That's the next larger degree fib level where the price already bounced from the April low. So if we see another low, it is likely we might see a rejection from there, or a reaction rather. We break below this area around $10.70, which is the 50% retracement and below the April low as well. A move down to around about $8.94 would be the next plausible scenario. So until then, until we see an upside impulse, the idea is still we could get one more low, but possibly after a wider wave for bounce. That's just an update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe.